Walkersons Hotel, Spa. 5 stars. Get the celebrity treatment with world-class service at Walkersons Hotel and Spa along the rolling hills of the Mpumalanga, outside the hamlet of Dullstroom. Walkersons offers accommodations with a country flair and a cozy fireplace. Modern facilities include an outdoor pool, a spa center and a well-equipped gym. Beautiful rooms, lovely fireplace and very friendly staff. Amazing breakfast. Follow the link in the description to find out the price of accommodation on the most reliable hotel portal in the world. The location of the property is stunning and the main hotel is beautiful with superb art and decor. The Kates were very helpful and friendly. Location and food was excellent. Staff were really helpful. We enjoyed our time there. Follow the link in the description of this video. You will find the hotel rating, the best price and excellent customer service. Our team did a lot of work to create this video. Press likes and subscribe to our channel.